Welcome back to Living Laughlin. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Sarah.
And this is
The Weekend Lineup!
Woo woo.
Woo! Woo! So we have some, we're still remodeling. It feels like it's been like forever. So if you hear anything in the background, it's because we're still remodeling. We're almost done, but you got to come on down to the Black Mountain Valley Fort Mohave office because it's looking pretty good.
Looks great.
Yeah. Pretty awesome. So what's going on?
Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Let's see. Oh, we went to the lake.
Oh, you went to the lake.
Can you tell? Do I have a little bit?
Yeah, you do.
Tan?
You have some color.
Yeah. We went to the lake. Yep. That's really all we did, though.
Yeah.
Because then we had open house and,
the normal activities. Well, I went to a new place in town. Have you heard of Elevate?
No.
It's a hookah lounge. You haven't heard of it? It's
No.
over there by kind of the new Circle K. It's so beautiful inside. They have these really nice couches throughout and the tables and sitting area with just like a bar in the back, and they have TVs up.
Fun.
Well, yeah, if you're not smoking hookah, though, you got to go down to the LA Comedy Club.
All right.
We got Nick Guerra and Alex Kool-Aid Anzel. Nick Guerra is definitely a comedian that will catch you off guard, but in a good way. His comedy has been described by his fans as hilarious, soul-cleansing experience. He's a stand-up comedian that wants people to not only enjoy his show, but to leave enjoying life in general. Oh, that's nice.
That's really nice, yeah.
It says Nick has been featured on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, has a dry bar comedy special, Enjoy Life, and an HBO half-hour comedy special, Love Me at My Worst. Yeah, that's always the hardest. Gonna love you at your worst. Then we got James Michael. He's there till November 1st. He's got a new Showtime Sunday at 7 p.m. He's doing that magic show over there.
That's awesome.
So fancy pants style, redneck comedy.
Okay, then we have June 25th through the 28th, which is Thursday through Sunday at 8 p.m. We're going over to Don's Celebrity Theater. So this is Frank Marino's Divas. Divas, this 75...
All the divas.
Oh, a so it's lots.
Yeah.
So this 75-minute energetic show starring Las Vegas' longest running headliner, Frank Marino, I think I'm saying it right, as comic icon Joan Rivers. So he does Joan Rivers.
Yeah.
Wow. Features an all-star cast of super female impersonators. So this dude does only females.
They're saying Frank's a diva.
So Joan River he features Joan River. Almost uncanny duplicating the likeliness of Britney Spears, Cher, Diana Ross, Beyonce, and even Madonna. He also does Dolly Parton.
This guy has got to be...
Whoa! That's a lot.
got to be flexible.
So this is at Don's Celebrity Theater. How fun. That sounds super fun.
Yeah, this is like a fun show. All right, June 25th through the 28th, Thursday through Sunday at 7 p.m. They're going to have Pandora's Rock at Losers Lounge.
Cool.
So they're a high-energy night at Losers Lounge with Pandora's Rock. They'll be taking the stage. In between stage, they do have DJ, so it gets a little wild in there.
Yeah, it does. Then we run over to the Aquarius. And at the pizza and pasta place, you must have some pizza and pasta. Ron Howard and the Invisibles. Ron Howard is a unique one-man band with an eye-catching act using his guitar and beatboxing skills, and he does some live looping. Ron replicates a 5-piece band and provides an unforgettable experience to the audience. So that is June 26th and 27th, Friday and Saturday from 3 to 7.
Yep, and then Friday, Saturday from 5 to 9. After that, you could go see David and Derrick over at the Cove Bar. They're a dynamic duo with over a decade of performing together. Wow. So they know each other. They light up Laughlin with David's soulful sax and Derrick's vibrant percussion. From classic oldies to today's hits, their talent, sense of humor, and energy guarantee an unforgettable night of music and relaxing and dancing.
And then after that, from 8 to 1, you can go to
1 a.m.
to Aquarius Splash Lounge. That actually is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can go Thursday even. But Friday, Saturday, you can go from the Aquarius Cove over to the Splash Lounge and see Kevin Jaxon. And Midnight Sun. Kevin Jaxon and the Midnight Sun are one of the tri-state area's hottest R&B groups. Move and groove all night long with sensual sax solos, Motown beats, and funky rhythms.
That would probably be really good.
I
some
think so
R&B.
too.
We don't get a lot of R&B over here.
So too.
They probably have some good jams. And then we have our coming soons. We got July 10th. We got a tribute to the music of Taylor Swift.
Tribute.
It's not Taylor Swift. Everybody simmer down. I don't even know if we would have the capacity for that. But that'll be at the Harris Showroom. Then July 24th, another tribute to Dolly Parton. That'll be at the Fiesta Showroom, also at Harris. And then July 25th, they're going to have direct from Sweden, the music of ABBA and at the Edge Pavilion. All right, and then October 24th, you got Nelly and Little John. They'll be at the Laughlin Event Center.
And what do they sing?
They sing the rap, right? Get down.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I think that's one of them, right? Isn't it?
Yeah. Is it? Who is that one? Nelly. And then October 30th, we have Gary Owen, the comedian. He'll be at the Tropicana, putting it down, making you laugh.
Fun.
So he still has some tickets online. I saw that, but they'll be going fast.
Man, we got a lot of cool stuff coming, you guys.
Those will go fast.
Okay, then June 26th, which is Friday, from 5 to 8 at the Laughlin Ranch, we have Girls Night Out. Girls Night Out on Friday. Join the fun and excitement on Friday, June 26th, as the girls take over Laughlin Ranch from 5 to 8. There'll be all female vendors, female favorites, plus a DJ to set the tone. Come for drink specials, the girls' favorite dinner, the shopping, the dancing, the socializing, and more. Let's rock the first Girls Night Out at Laughlin Ranch on Friday.
Nice, they're taking over on Friday.
I like it.
You know those guys are going to be lingering around everywhere.
Oh,
they know.
girls. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then June 26th on Friday from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., they're going to have the 80s prom night murder mystery over at the Mohave County Fairgrounds. It's $50 a person. That price will include a 3-course dinner, 1 complimentary drink ticket, and it'll be in Kingman at 2600 Fairgrounds Boulevard.
I mean, 3-course dinner and a drink and a
an event
like for $50.
Yeah, that's great.
That's a great deal.
And it's going to be the prom night murder mystery.
And you can meet really fun people, and I love that.
Yeah.
Then on Friday, June 26th at 6 p.m., we have America's 250th anniversary Meat Bingo.
I saw that.
Do you know what Meat Bingo is? We could be 13-year-old comics about Meat Bingo.
Yeah.
But this is very popular in Minnesota. Meat Bingo is where they have like a freezer full of meat, and whoever wins bingo gets to pick out their cuts of meat. So like you win steak and prime rib. And,
that's awesome.
And chops and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, Meat Bingo is very, very popular in Minnesota.
Meat Bingo's where it's at.
It's at the El Rio Golf Club. We've got the 250th anniversary fever just in time for the summer cookout. Mm-hmm. Check out all the fun-filled evenings, at El Rio. We are hosting a Meat Bingo this June 26th, Friday at 6 p.m. Tickets are just $50, and you could walk away with more than $100 in quality beef, barbecue accessories, and so much more. There'll be a 50-50 raffle, and baskets will be available for silent auction. Drinks sold by El Rio Golf Club. I think that sounds... There's so many things going on Friday. I'm not sure which.
I know. How do you pick which one?
Girls Night Out, Meat Bingo, Murder Mystery.
Get the meat at
Jeez Louise. Yeah, lots of stuff.
All right, and then Sunday, we got something going on Sunday alone. We got 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. the Second Chance Sunday Adoption event over at PetSmart.
Oh.
So they say join Positive Paws every 4th Sunday at PetSmart. It's in Bullhead for their monthly adoption event. You can find your next best friend and give a pet a loving and caring home.
Please.
If you have the room.
Adopt.
I
Don't
know.
chop. Adopt.
I love that.
Yes. Then also on Sunday from 1 to 4, we have clothing, shoe, and accessory exchange at the venue 837. So the venue 837 is down off of Hancock. Ladies, so it's 837 Hancock. It is right next to the Realtor Association. It's actually our conference area that they rent out. So the venue 837. Ladies, start cleaning out your closets and sign up to one of our funnest events. This is my 3rd time hosting a clothes swap event. Looking for at least 20 women who we could have more. Bring up to 30 items. Must be reasonably current fashions. No stains or rips, unless they're jeans and they're supposed to have rips.
Right.
Faded, smoke-free smell, and in good condition. Everything will be organized in areas of sizes. We're going to have refreshments, some snacks, music, and giveaways. Ladies have scored big time in the last few swaps that we've had. Miss Me jeans. Oh, they're cute. Zara dresses, Tory Burch flip-flops, leather knee-high boots, and so much more. It's a $20 fee that will cover the hall rental, must be paid before the event. All remaining items that are not swapped go to the homeless families shelter. So I think that's pretty cool too.
Very nice.
Yeah.
All right, and then June 30th, it's Tuesday from 12 p.m. to 1:15. They're going to want you to network, connect, and grow at the Trinity Baptist Church. So it says join our chamber member, Bullhead Business Builders, for their upcoming nachos and networking event. Enjoy fresh nachos while connecting with local business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals who are passionate about building a stronger business community. 1941 Havasu Pie Drive down in Bullhead City. Whether you're looking to expand your network, build referral partnerships, or discover new opportunities, this is a great way to spend your lunch hour. So lunch Tuesday at the Trinity Baptist Church.
Love that.
Nachos and networking.
I love that. And we haven't talked about it, but I haven't been to the brewery yet, but they have had like some really cool live bands at the brewery.
I did hear that.
Where is it?
It's behind Indian Oven.
It is friendly
place.
Yes, yes, friendly
I said happy place.
Happy, friendly. You know, that's where and I haven't been there yet, but I heard that they have they had some really cool bands, and so I got to get there. And now
they're doing their own beer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
So
they have like their own. And now we have the hookah place.
Elevate.
And we have social that I haven't been to. So I got like my list is growing and growing.
I know, because the town's growing and
growing.
growing.
So awesome. Yeah.
And they're breaking a ton of ground down there at the new center for the city.
And did you and I know they're making some headway on the new casino, Spirit Mountain
Yes.
Casino.
Oh yeah. All the wrought irons up right now, or not the wrought iron. They're still the steel parts of the building.
Yeah. So they're hoping that's going to be open in like, you know, within probably in a year, I'm guessing.
I know they didn't mess around with the gas station, and they're doing the same thing here. I mean, they're working. So it'll be up soon. It looks
so
like it's going to be great.
Yeah. So it's so great because we have some stuff down on the Mohave Valley side, you know. So. All right, guys. Well, we need you to like, share, and comment because that helps us get out in the algorithm. And then also stay local. Spend your money here. We need to help our community. It continues to grow. And we have so many cool things that are coming and here. And go check them out. And then let us know, did you like them? What are some really cool things that we need to go check out? Right?
Go check out Elevate. You'll love it.
All right, guys. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye.